Desi. Desi. This is her mommy. There's Dottie. Bye, Dottie. It started raining and I thought I'd save the video, so I apologize. Bye, Dot. Hey, pretty girl. Let's see if I can get Mack. It started pouring down rain as I came out here, so that's pretty Mack boy. And as you can see, everybody else, we had to come inside. It started pouring down rain. It's Big Domino. It's pretty Domino. There's Big Griffin. Hi, big boy. Yeah, and there's Mack. That's his daddy. Oh, you gonna stick your head out? Okay. And there's Desi. She's walking up and down with her daddy. Let me get back so you can see them. Get you up here so we can see her. Here's Desi. That's Mr. Griff. Okay, Miss Desi, can you show me another sit? Good girl. Well, it would be really better if I could get you in the frame so they could see it, huh? Desi, sit. Sit. Good girl. It's a pretty girl. It's right. Sit. 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 That's a pretty girl. Of course, Big Mack wants to be in the frame too. It's hard for Mommy to get any pictures of you with Big Daddy there. And walk up and down with your daddy. Again, I apologize for having to take these inside. They came outside and it's pouring down rain again. You can see Mack's a little bit underweight still. We've had 2 girls here in season. And so we've had, he's trying to put his weight back on. Yes, he's looking at the chickens. And this is my sweetheart. That's Miss Dottie. She's our big baby. And there's the family. And that's my new puppy. That's Miss Camellia. There's pretty Dot. You come up to Dottie. You say hi. It's pretty Dottie. She's sleepy. I just woke her up. Okay, one last pretty picture of Desi. Desi. Okay, there's Big Mack. Come here. Desi, come here. Hop up here. Come here, pretty picture. Show me your pretty face. Show me your pretty face. That's my girl. There you go.